Welcome to Motor Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove stickers and decals from a car without damaging the paintwork. Okay, if you've got the right tools, you've got the right technique, this is quite an easy thing to do, but if you do it wrong, you can really damage the paintwork and end up needing a whole new spray. As you can see, we've got a Corvette C4 here. You've got quite a lot of stickers on it. This was used as a cannonball run car, so there's quite a lot of advertisements on it. We're going to be leaving some of the stickers on, some of the decals on, but we're going to be taking off quite a lot of them. So I'm going to go through the stickers that we're going to be taking off first. I'm going to give you a close-up look, and then we're going to bring it into the garage and start work on taking them off. So there's quite a lot of stickers on this car. So you've got the cannonball ones, which at the moment they're staying on, quite happy with them ones. However, you've got quite a lot of these advertisement ones, and they're coming off. Okay, so there's 5 on the back. The cannonball ones are actually staying on for now, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. Same with these side ones, it's staying on, but I'll see how the car looks, see how I feel about it after I've taken off the advertisement ones, and I'll decide then whether to leave them. Same with this, you can see Monster, ISPCC. This big one in the centre is actually staying on for now. The one above it is coming off. So let's get the car into the garage and let's get to work. So you don't need much for this. We've got our heat gun, and that's to get the decals or the stickers off the car. And then all we need is WD-40 and a microfibre cloth. And that's just to get rid of the adhesive or the glue that's left on the bodywork afterwards. So for this job, we're going to be using a normal heat gun. Preferably has a couple of settings on it. This has 2 different settings for different heat. You want the lower heat. Very inexpensive piece of kit. You can pick it up almost anywhere, any hardware shop. If you don't have one of these, you can use a normal hairdryer. I don't have a normal hairdryer. I've never felt the need to own one. Don't know why. But we're going to get started on the job. I'm going to do a bit of a close-up of the first sticker that we're going to be taking off, just so you can see how it goes. So we're going to start on this Monster one here. I suggest that you do similar if you have the choice with your own car, where you start on a small little panel. Obviously, if something were to go wrong with this, I could easily take this part out, get it resprayed. It's not a big quarter panel or anything like that that needs to be resprayed, or a bumper. It's a very small piece. So just in case anything did go wrong, you'd be able to get it done without worrying too much. So like I said, we're going to start with a lower setting on the heat gun if you have one, and we're just going to try and keep the heat on the actual sticker itself. We don't want to do too much on the paintwork. We want to avoid too much direct heat on the paintwork. We don't want to damage that. What we're aiming to do is to heat it up until the sticker is hot, warm to hot to the touch. Now again, there is a temptation to fire up the heat gun to the hottest setting. I would avoid that, it will be quicker, however there is more chance of damaging the paint. Now, if you can, you'll find a lot of the times that there is a little bit of give in some of the stickers. Okay, so if you can get a corner up, brilliant. And now, you want to go very, very easy with this. I find if you pull straight up is a better option. If you pull away, so you're pulling across, there's more chance that it'll take some of the lacquer off the car. So you're just going to try and pull straight up, and that allows it to come off nice and easy. So straight up. And again, if you do happen to tear the sticker at any time, there's no problem. Again, you'll just get a little corner up and start again. But you'll see this is coming up really nice and easy now. So perfect, that came off nice and easy. You will get a line, the outer line of the sticker will still be there, and that's just the adhesive. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my WD-40 and microfibre cloth, and we're going to work at getting rid of that adhesive. Now you want to make sure obviously that your microfibre cloth doesn't have any dirt, stones. If you have dropped it on the ground or anything like that, just double check, be really careful, because it will do a lot of damage to your bodywork. Obviously, if there's a little bit of a stone chip in it and you don't realise it, you're going to do a lot of damage. So we're just going to spray some of our WD-40 on. We're just going to scrub away. And perfect. No evidence of the sticker at all anymore. So I'm going to do the same with the rest of the stickers. Same again, we're going to go with this guy. Same again, the lower setting if we can. Just go nice and easy, be quite patient with all this stuff. Again, just be careful you've got the plastic trim, which you definitely don't want to melt. Take a lot to melt it, but at the same time, you just want to be that bit careful. You go nice and patient with this, nice and slow. Again, you want to pull across the sticker, you want to pull out. So it's a bit more tricky. So the adhesive just seems to be on a little bit stronger. So if you're ever in doubt and you think, oh, maybe it's not coming off as easy as I want, go back, reheat, go over it again. Just see this tiny bit of adhesive staying on the car, so it just tells me it's getting a little bit harder to take off. So again, I'm going to go over it with the heat gun one more time. Now this guy in the back window, to be honest, there's no worry with damaging anything. Obviously you're not going to damage the window. However, I am going to go over with the heat gun just to make it come off that little bit easier. Just be careful not to hold the heat gun over one point on the glass for very long. There's a slight chance that the heat could cause the glass to crack. And we are done. Paintwork is absolutely perfect. There's no damage from taking those stickers off. Just make sure when you are doing it, guys, be nice and careful when you are taking them off, and nice and patient with it, and follow the steps that I've shown you. these ones on the side, just this one on the door, I'm 50-50 on. So comment in the section below, just let me know what you think. I'll decide later whether to take them off, but it'd be nice to see what you guys think. And that's it. So please like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time.